use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Wednesday, and it is like 6:20 a.m. I just got done getting ready, took a shower. Now I'm going to make some coffee.
Can you open this place? I'm just waiting.
Wait, I have to stir that up. Okay.
Alright. I was gonna stir it.
Waiting on the bus. Brother's being mean this morning. So mean. Because I wouldn't let him take his fidget spinner to school.
No? I'm just outside and then I'll give it to her.
You're mean. Get the truck started. What's up, guys? I'm home from work now. It is actually almost 4 o'clock. I've been in the garage working on my truck, trying to replace the AC compressor, and it's a pain in the ass. So Britt took over and he's trying to get it done. It's really hard to get to, and I hurt my finger trying. Oh. So, the good thing is, Dawson, no. What are you doing? You've had plenty of snacks. Here, take a fidget spinner. The good thing is I don't have to work tomorrow. But I do have to go to my appointment. So if the truck's not fixed, I can just take Britt to work in the morning and the Jeep, and I'll be fine. So while I was in the garage, my house got destroyed, as usual. That's what happens when you have dogs and children. Hey
Hey guys, you're probably wondering where Mom is. Well, she is
I don't think that
she's outside in the garage for something. She's like fixing the truck or something. And I'm just here with my
so far and all that.
ice spinner.
And I'll do like a time lapse of us putting on springs or something like that. So yeah. Alright guys, foundation done. Like it took us
Then I'm watching this guy.
to find out how to go.
What?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Really guys, this is like so much harder than I expected to be. Like
I'm gonna hear it.
customer service.
We're almost done. This thing right here is the AC compressor. Don't ever try to change one. It's a pain in the ass. Ain't that right?
Yeah. On these stupid 6.0s.
At least we'll have AC now. Now I just have to go to work tomorrow and get it filled up with Freon. And then we'll be good. We had to move all this stuff around to get, there's 4 bolts, there's 1. And then there's a bolt right here. And 2 other bolts, and they were really hard to get. Now I have to put the alternator back on, this thing, and put the belt, serpentine belt, back on.
You got the flashlight?
No. It's right here. Here's the culprit.
What is it?
It's this pulley up here.
What is
See, it needs to go around both of these at the same time, right? Oh god, it's gonna come off. There's a way up to the bottom. Okay, don't let go.
Well, almost done. Got it?
Almost. I got it. Yes. Pulley?
No, but I've got this.
Hold on.
Extension.
She's all put back together now, except for this stupid wheel well. I'm so nervous for my doctor appointment tomorrow.
Why?
I'm really scared about what they're gonna say. Oh look, here's Britt's senior picture. That's what Britt looked like when I met him. Kind of. Okay, so Gavin has a field trip tomorrow. They're going to the zoo. So I have to make him a sack lunch. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm really tired.
You gotta make me a lunch box.
I know you have to take a sack lunch so you can throw it away. And what really sucks is it's gonna rain all day tomorrow. So that's not gonna be fun for them. Be walking around in the rain all day, so he's gonna take an umbrella. Hopefully they let him take it so he can stay out of the rain.
If not, I might wear a sweatshirt just in case.
Yeah, you can wear a sweatshirt just in case.
They won't let me.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get this kitchen cleaned up. I'm just gonna wake up early and clean the house because I don't wanna do it right now. Gavin, can you come pick up your bathroom, please? It's a mess. There's clothes all over the floor. Please come pick it up.
Well, I'm in bed.
Don't fight with me about it. Come clean it. Okay. The doggies to wipe their paws. Alright guys, we finally lay down for bed. It's been a really long day. Of course, Britt didn't have to work today. Only on the truck. I'm trying to talk him in to going and getting me some flaming hot Cheetos because that sounds so good right now. But he won't do it.
Come on out.
Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I put a new compressor in your truck. The least you could do is give me some flaming hot Cheetos.
You put a new compressor
I
in?
did all the work. Didn't I?
I guess.
I did help out a lot. You couldn't have done it without me.
Well, ain't no kidding.
Are you being sarcastic or
I'm
serious?
serious.
It was my idea to take the alternator off. And it worked out pretty well, didn't it?
Better than I thought.
He doesn't have a lot of faith in me. Are you clashing?
Kinda, sorta.
Britt likes to play Clash of Clans. Oh my gosh, I left my Fitbit in the garage. Dang it.
I'm surprised you didn't leave your phone in the garage, too.
No, I brought that. Oh yeah, if you got a Fitbit, add me to your friends list. You can do that by using my email down below. I need some challenges so I can have some inspiration. I've kind of been putting off using my... Ew! Gosh dang it. I thought I got all the dirt off me, but there's still a bunch of dirt. And a big bruise for where Copper bit me. Ew! Do you have baby wipes right there next to you? I saw them on the ground. Is there any in there? We're in luck. It's not coming off. Oh my god. I should have took a shower. yeah, I didn't take a shower because I'm too freaking tired, so I just washed up really good. Or well, I thought I washed up really good, but I guess I didn't. Still, I'm stained. I wish this bruise would go away. It's really ugly. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can keep up with all of our videos. And we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's the doctor appointment day. And I'm gonna take you guys with me.